Good day, all. This is Dr. So of Token Trading Research. Thanks for coming. This is your first time. Considering subscribing. Today I'm looking at the activities in the market. Been quite a good day. There have been a lot of pumps, and a lot of people are scared. They're not entering trade just because it could be a bull trap. That has been the case for time now. Where there is a way for you to deal with this issue. While you hold on to your board portfolios, you could scalp and take money from the market pumps. There are tools that are out there that enables you to actually enter a trade and be able to make some money out of the pump or the boost in markup of price. There will be a markdown at certain points. I am scalping on a 1 minute time frame. There are a couple of coins here. Has a lot of activities. Have the confluence there. Have the clarity and have the IMX. So have the SN. Actually, okay. So couple of things. Have this crypto bubble. That kind of tell me which coin has some of my coins highest. And now on my second screen here, there is activity going on there, which is more or less I'm trading, live trade. I do remember trading is risky. I always do research. A lot of traders won't. Okay, so this is what I have. Seconds, just pop it out shortly and back. I will move it back. Let me try to private. See here. Okay. Right. So what I have here, see there's a couple of trades. AGI is there. Have the specs. On that note, I haven't brought that out. I'll wait. The newcomer to trading, please don't just enter into trade because always do your research. I normally play this video, kind of gives you what could happen. Just run into trap. You don't want to lose your money. It's pretty much something like this. Also beware of scammers. I do not request money from anyone to help them trade, and I do not contact you. Have any reason to contact me? There's my email there. There is also comment section. Do go through the comments. Please do tell me what you want to look at next video. Certainly at it. Do press the notification button so that when I'm online doing live trading, you are able to also come online and share your sites. Okay, always do search. Having said that, let me go back to. So this is our crypto bubble. They're kind of quiet down. Normally, just put that away. Normally, what you want to do is you look at the coins, bigger time frame, just to know where activities are. So that is always useful to do, because you don't want to enter a trade and be caught on the wrong side of it. You don't want something. And how do you avoid? Let me quickly run through. Always use Bitcoin as a benchmark, because all the coins move Bitcoin. Even those coins with high volatility, tokens high, when it is upward trajectory for Bitcoin, bull market or markup of price for Bitcoin, they also go up. So I'm going to go to the Bitcoin chart, and I'm going to look at what bigger time. So this was the channel I've been tapping on. I tap it down, and I know that within this channel, that was where we were today, this evening, depending on where you are in the world. It just, so that is a day time frame. You also need the 50, at least the 50 exponential moving average. What it enables you to do, it tells you when the price action moving forward, or is, so if the price action is above TM or PE ribbon, that means upward markup prices. Is below, as we can see here, markdown. Why am I using those terminology? All these markets, especially crypto, there is uncertainty and a lot of market making, manipulation. Okay, so they have to recover whatever that they have lost here. So whether there's a buying and selling market, they have to make money, and they also have to pay those who enter correctly and who are on the wrong side of the trade, have to also pay those who are at the right side of the. So there's a markup of price and markdown prices. So you see the channel you are, where the price action is in regards to the 50 EMA. Then you begin to trade towards whichever way. In this case, I am looking at a bigger picture here. Bear with me. Right. So this was my projection I made. And if you watch a video I had earlier, this was actually hard out there. And exactly so I expect a pullback, but it is just it's the probability, because it might decide to just move up, so that depends on how much or what loss the market maker is. Or people might think is because of bull or bear market, or sellers or buyers. That has an impact, but that alone, the liquidity that is provided by the market maker is what market making is a business. Those people have to realize profits. So now you might decide to just, but you need to guide against. At this point in time, I might decide to hedge. In case it goes down, then I catch that, yeah? Or I might leave some of my trade, but lower, the portion size will be a bit lower, take out some profit, and leave lower size, lower portion. What I had, I scalp anyway, quick out, and there is movement from 28 upward. Then I'll ride it. Where heading might not get there, might decide to just pull it down. Anyway, I'm scalping. I will cap up. That is what the strategy is. Now, if this is on a daily time, want to hourly time frame, you also observe what chart. There is a lot of up and down move. You are doing scalping either long. You might be caught up on the side of the trade. That case, you could use 1x, because most of these scalping is only available at platform like Bybit. If you want to do the same thing, Coinbase, it could take you a lot of size. How costly. Okay, so in that case, with Bybit, I'll use 1x in case there's a scam week. Even if he pulls down, I have a substantial drawdown. Cover price action, cover. That is the just make some little profit. Okay, so that said, this is how you scalp. If this type of video you want to watch, or content you want to see, please do like the video and just make noise for the algorithm that start getting traction, start having a lot of audience, going to get pinched out of the market. A lot of people lose in this, have landed as well. People lose quite a lot. Yeah, there's quite a lot of uncertainty. Hardly survive a trade. The past 2 weeks, there has been 3S banks that failed. Started with Silver 8, and you have the Silicon Valley Bank. So hardly there's quite a lot of uncertainty. Market hardly put a trade or something happens, wrecked the setup. Discover that most setup really doesn't work. Scalp into a trade and be able to take few money, few dollars out of the market. That's the best you can. But if you are on a long term plan, that is fine. Good. Wait it out, hold it. Not quick in, quick out game. I hope gives you an insight to trading in uncertain times by scalping. This is the kind of content you see. Please comment below. I will certainly read it. Like video, give traction. I will start live sessions, have more audience, and make money together. On that note, I will be saying bye bye. See you next video.